Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person.
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the scariest
thing.
You
watch over him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear.
Today we've got one of the most ridiculous sovereign citizens you'll ever see. This guy claims he's too scared of the judge to show up in person. Yes, really. But trust me, it only gets wilder from there. Like many sovereign citizens, he thinks he's somehow above the law. But spoiler alert, the law doesn't care about made-up rules. The judge completely shuts him down, and honestly, it's kind of amazing to watch. Let me know in the comments, how would you rate this one on the nonsense scale from 1 to 10? And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into—
Lanto, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, he came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't. That's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery. It's not the prosecutor.
Well, the first thing I want. Okay,
you want a trial today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they sent me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, the very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed this, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney. Okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just say? Can you?
I'm going to send this to the assignment clerk, Mr. Lanto. You're not listening.
School so far, I'd say this guy ranks a solid 10 out of 10 on the nonsense scale. What do you think? He actually walks into court and tries to dismiss his own case, like he's the one in charge, not the judge. Where do these sovereign citizens even get this stuff from? It's like they truly believe the law doesn't apply to them just because they say so. That it's wild, and honestly kind of confusing, how this movement is spreading. Is there some corner of the internet where people are just learning to ignore reality? Because this wasn't even on the radar a few years ago, and now it feels like it's everywhere. Big credit to the judge, though. He's not falling for any of it and is handling the situation like a pro. Let's get back into it.
See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were getting angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will
Well, and
send
I
you a
just
notice. of the-
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh. That's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple logical questions today?
But school, this guy really needs to stop while he still can. The judge is actually being more patient than most would be, given how absurd his behavior is. At this point, it almost feels like he's trying to get held in contempt on purpose. Everyone knows you can't just walk into court and try to twist the system like this. The judge is giving him multiple chances, but he just keeps pushing the line. And for someone who keeps bringing up logic, his own statements have made zero sense so far. Honestly, he's not doing himself any favor.
Ask your attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And then
That's why
number
we're
two,
asking for discovery.
okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no, the proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
well, I feel like
Exactly.
I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
would
thing I
you
could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes?
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into
Okay.
court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me? And then you said I'm talking crazy.
No, you got it
Did I
reversed.
just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
You said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then I said, I'm going to adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch over you while you're in court. We'll see you in 30 days.
Is here at school, do you think he'll actually show up in 30 days? I kind of think he will. He knows the judge has authority, even if he won't say it out loud. This guy was all over the place today, trying to play the victim and say anything to avoid taking responsibility. Honestly, he should have let his lawyer talk. He's just making things worse for himself. Still, I've got to admit, this hearing was wild and entertaining. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, take care.